This isn't your typical auto body shop. It's part of James Madison High School's Automotive Technology program, where students learn hands-on skills as they prepare to head into the workforce. From cars to boats, the classroom here is the garage. Students in James Madison High's program learn techniques in a hands-on environment. It's one of 26 automotive programs in the county and a sign of a growing trend. According to the U.S. Department of Labor, registered apprenticeships have grown 85% in the last decade, and the demand keeps going up.
100% this program is setting up for success.
Kyle Huang joined the program last year as a junior. While he plans to become a paramedic after high school, he's confident the skills he's gaining here will serve him in the long run.
I get all these skills I'm learning, and these skills I could take almost anywhere, whether it be, showing merit in work, as in actually doing work, putting myself out there to try new things. That's one of the most important things I've learned.
The program doesn't just teach practical skills. Students can also earn their Automotive Service Excellence certification. They even get a personal account with Ford, giving them a leg up if they join the company after graduation. Omar Sevilla, the automotive teacher here, has been at James Madison for 17 years. He says students start with the basics, like changing oil, safety inspections, and using a car lift, and build from there.
I talk to the students about having skills, not necessarily having a degree or a certificate, but you can have that stuff without the skills, unfortunately. But you want to have the skills, because the skills are the things that put a roof over your head and food on the table.
Omar is part of a group that works with the California New Dealers Association. He says the need for skilled workers is critical.
The current conversation is we are about 10,000 technicians short in the state. So there's a huge demand for this industry for technician jobs.
During back-to-school night, Mazda's Be Moved Drive program donated money to the school for every test drive, ensuring these students have the resources and opportunities they need. Esmeralda Perez, CBS 8.